Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a loan on Moniepoint. Before applying for a loan, make sure your Moniepoint business account is active and verified. The platform usually reviews your transaction history and business activity before offering you any loan option. This means the more consistently you use your account for payments and transfers, the higher your chances of receiving a loan offer. To begin, open the Moniepoint business banking app on your mobile phone or go to the Moniepoint web portal using your browser. From the dashboard, look for the option labeled Loans or Credit. Tap or click on this section to continue. This is the area where Moniepoint displays loan offers and allows eligible users to apply for funding. Next, you will need to submit a loan request. Enter the loan amount you want to borrow and choose the repayment period or tenure. The system will usually show you the maximum amount you can request based on your business type and the volume of transactions going through your account. After filling in the details, review the loan information carefully. If everything looks correct, submit your request through the app. Once your application is submitted, the system will begin processing it. In most cases, loan applications are processed within 24 to 72 hours. If approved, the loan amount will be credited directly to your Moniepoint business account. Thanks for watching.